today from daycare because I'm taking her to a splash pad. It's summer and we haven't done much things summer, and she really likes she like water, anything to do with water. So I'm going to go get her and then head to the water splash park or whatever they call it. Oh my gosh, it is so hot today. I want AC to do your magic. I'm so tired. I've been up and down whole day today, so I'm looking forward to just get her to this place where we can sit down and she play and I chill. Why my lips are dry? I always have to have lip gloss with me because my lips get really chapped easily. Be so surprised when she see me come here early. Even the teacher's like, oh, mommy's here early, because they know I always reach here like 8 to 6 o'clock. But I'm surprising my daughter. I'm so excited. Ow! I bumped my head.
I did not do the car.
Yeah, car, not do that again. You had fun today at school? Alright, let's go. Ready?
Yeah!
Okay. Why you put your shoes on?
Huh?
Why you put your shoes on? That's where you're going, okay? Let me see your coat. Wait, put on your shoes. It's hot. See? Look. Put on that one. So I had to change her in the car because I took her up from the daycare. Come.
Let's go.
I need to get the bag. Come. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Turn around. Turn around. Hold up your head. It's cold. I know. No man, no. I'm trying to see which way. No, come, let's go over there. That's where you're going. Go ahead. Good. Give me a hand. No, that one.
No, I want that one.
Let's try it, baby. Wait. Let's try this one. Come on.
No, I like it.
Mom, we don't have the stuff to go in the water with you, okay?
No, I want it.
Where's the entrance? Okay, run, go play, because they're almost closed, okay? I got it. It's okay. Run along. There's a palm tree. Stand under. Yay! Go up more. Go. It's supposed to be like that, baby. Run. We don't have much time. Run, go play. Yeah, you're supposed to get your clothes wet. Run along.
That's fun.
Nah,
No.
go. Bet scared out of water. I swear I didn't know it's gonna be this hot. Ma, go under the water. Go.
I want this one.
What do you want? There's no other one. Go under the water.
No.
No, I did not turn on. Let's take it up and turn on. I want to go in the pool over here, but I didn't bring any swim clothes. I just wear my regular clothes because I didn't thought it would be like this big. I thought it was just like a little splash pad. So I know I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, I think, because they close at 5, so we have like half an hour for her to play. It's fun?
Yeah.
Okay, then go under the water, so the one under the tree, so you could get wet. Go, Mama, your clothes still dry. Go play. We don't have much time, okay? They're gonna close soon. Run along, baby. Come, let's go over this one. Come, go quickly. No, this one. Over here. Hurry, Mama, hurry. Hurry, no, this one. That way, run straight ahead. Come, run. You're gonna like that one. That one is better. We have like 15 minutes left. So there's another one over there. That, cause she don't like the splash pad. She likes we can submerge in the water. Wait, let me see. Let me ask them. Hey, how do we enter that one? How do we get over to this one? I know she don't have much time.
Which one?
That right here.
In the playground?
Yeah, how do we get?
Wait, did you check in yet?
Yeah, we came from over there.
Oh.
I'm trying to get her over.
Well, you go around and then you go to the gate that's open right there.
All right, come on, Mama. We gotta go back this way. Sorry. Go through the gate. Wait. This is does this apply? Her height? She can come in? Okay. All right, give me the slippers, baby. Okay, go play. Don't go too far. Wow, Ma. Wow. Take your time. How cute is it? You like this one? Okay. Here, Mama. Come over here. You don't want to try the stairs? You want to try the stairs? You can do it, baby. Go. No, go up, baby. Try it. Go up and see if you like it. If not, come back down.
A year and change ago we moved from California, and me bringing my daughter here honestly take me out of my comfort zone, and this is something I'm trying to do to be more outside, right? Not just for me but for the sake of my kids. And I'm telling you, the best thing I could ever do, I moved to Florida. Like, these things I would never be doing in Cali. I was so hella depressed, yo, I tell you.
I knew I'd bring my swim soap, but I didn't bring anything. So I'm just here watching her, monitoring her. This place is really nice. Elizabeth! Ma! You want water instead? No? Okay. Go, let me get you your towel. Water, okay? When they blow the whistle, it means for us to get out of the water. Come here. You okay? Turn off the water.
See, I have a guy. I just.
You have to take your finger off the camera. All right, come, baby. Let me get you the towel. Oh, I forgot. I should have put on your swim cap. Finish work. They need to go home now, so we need to go home. Okay? Put on your slippers. They're gonna go to their house, and Elizabeth and Mommy are gonna go to their house. Okay? Yes.
So, it's a good mommy.
You want water? Come, baby. Let's go, Mama. Walk this side and go through the gate. This way, we're finished. This way, go this way. Go that way. When we go home, I dry your hair. Not that way, come this way. Careful. Gate.
Okay?
Not cake, I said gate. Yes.
This one?
No, come. They don't have any. They're closed. Come. They're finished working and they're going home.
I want bicycle.
Yes.
I want this.
They're closed, Ma.
No, I want.
Hmm? You don't want to go home, but look, everyone is going home because they're closing. Mas, I'm going to leave you then. Okay, see you later. Get in the car. Come. Go up. Go in. Go in, baby. Yes, you're gonna put a towel, so it's okay. Go up. Sit on your towel. It's okay. Sit. Mama gonna clean. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. We're going home. Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
All right, let's go home, baby. You had fun?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the Cypress Park, I think. Here in Coral Springs, so they have basketball court over there. They have quite a few stuff for the kids for the summer. It's so funny that I found out about it now because school soon won't back and I think they're gonna close. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Want to drink?
You want? I have the drink, ma. I'll give you after.
Mommy.
Yeah. I have your drink. I have the drink around here. Okay.
Hmm?
I have the drink. I'll give you when we go home.
Yellow? What?
All right. So I stop and get food because you know who not cooking. And today Friday, so I normally get them takeout on Friday. I'm tired. Are you tired, Mama?
Huh?
You tired?
Huh?
Are you tired? Yeah, me too. So we are going, guys. That is it.
There's a burger in the mommy.
Yes. You don't want the burger?
Here, this is the mommy.
You don't want it?
Yeah.
You eat it then.
Mommy.
Hold it, ma. Drive it. Hold it, okay? Thank you. You don't want the burger?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so eat it. It's not for Mama. It's for Elizabeth. Okay?
So when we get home, I gave baby E a shower, moisturize her skin because the chlorine in the water tend to make her skin itchy. I didn't even bother wash her hair. I just dried it.
That one. This is my one.
Who is it?
That's not that one.
It's your room. Go sleep in your room.
No. I want like my coat.
You see it here?
Yeah.
Is that baby back here? So pretty. Pretty little baby. Baby, you've been thinking of me. And it's so lovely. Pretty little flower. I'm so in love with you.
A few moments later.
I'm not my friend.
Come, put on your band or put back your hair. So you have to pull your hair all the way. Okay, turn around and Mama see. But that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog.
Bye, guys.